In this video, we'll learn about some examples to show the chemical change. So we'll see some activities to understand how a chemical change happens. So in the first activity, the aim is burning of paper. So for that, we require a piece of paper, burning flame, and a pair of tongs. So the procedure is when a piece of paper is burnt in air, that is oxygen, on the flame with the help of pair of tongs, it forms carbon dioxide and water vapor and some black colored ash. And we know that chemically the paper is cellulose, which is C6H10O5, means it's a polymer of this substance. So from here we can observe and conclude that as here new substances are formed, heat and light is also evolved. It is a chemical change. So here we can see that we were having cellulose, and after the reaction has happened, we have got carbon dioxide and water vapor, and plus heat and light are evolved. So new substances are being formed. So we are concluding that it is a chemical change and we cannot get back the paper from the burnt substance. Next reaction is reaction of zinc with dilute hydrochloric acid. So for that we require a 250 ml conical flask, some zinc pieces, dilute hydrochloric acid and burning splinter. So for that we have to take a conical flask of 250 ml capacity and put some zinc pieces into it. Then add some dilute hydrochloric acid to the flask as shown in this figure. So from here we will observe that the gas bubbles are formed, and when we bring a burning splinter near the gas that comes out, the gas burns with a pop sound. And we know that the gas that burns with a pop sound is hydrogen gas, and if we touch the flask we'll find out that it has become hot. So we can say that there is a chemical reaction happening because the gas bubbles are formed and heat is evolved. So the reaction happening in this case is zinc metal reacts with dilute HCl to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Plus heat is also evolved in this reaction. So hence we can say it is a chemical reaction. Similarly, we have here the reaction of lead nitrate and potassium iodide. For that we require lead nitrate solution, potassium iodide solution and glass test tubes. So we'll take some lead nitrate solution which is colorless in a glass test tube, and potassium iodide solution which is also colorless in another glass tube, and add potassium iodide to the test tube containing lead nitrate. We'll mix them. Then after that we'll observe a yellow color precipitate will be formed. So that yellow color precipitate is of lead iodide. So here we can say a new substance, lead iodide, which is yellow precipitate in color, is formed on mixing the colorless solution of lead nitrate and potassium iodide. So it is a chemical change, and we can see the reaction here is lead nitrate plus potassium iodide gives lead iodide, which is yellow colored PPT, and potassium nitrate. So I hope you have understood it. Thank you.